Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. A flag is a rectangular or quadrilateral piece of fabric with a distinctive design and color. To display the flag is an expression of patriotic pride in one's country, state, school, team, military service, or other exclusive group. For example, a naval vessel or military force might identify itself by displaying the flag of its nation of origin. Today we're visiting Flagpole Farm, located in Meridian, Idaho. Flagpole is proud to manufacture the Titan line of products, which include the Titan telescoping flagpole, with its patented interlocking sleeve mechanism at each joint, and also the Titan solar light. These made in the USA products are the perfect items to display one's patriotism right in their own front yard. In addition, Flagpole Farm offers a broad selection of flags made by the most reputable flag manufacturers in the United States, including U.S. flags, state flags, military branch flags, historical flags, and many others. The company strives to make the words Flagpole Farm and quality synonymous with one another. Flagpole Farm also offers a complete line of products to complement the Titan telescoping flagpole, including but not limited to eagle toppers, flash collars, and sleeve clamps to secure your flagpole. Their website is filled with many video resources to assist with installation and operation of the Titan telescoping flagpole. The company is family-owned and operated and wants you to know they appreciate your business. Show your flag with pride and visit them at flagpolefarm.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.